Hi guys, it's Austin and welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be testing out 4 no glue, no borax slimes. So before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get to the video. So guys, the ingredients you need for this first slime are a bowl, a mixing tool, peel off face mask, make sure it is polyvinyl alcohol, and you can also use glue for this part, air wick, and foaming hand soap. And this is a fluffy slime, no glue, no borax, and no shaving cream. So guys, I'm going to start by putting some of my peel off face mask into my bowl. So guys, now I'm going to add in my foaming hand soap. So now I'm going to add in my air wick. And this is why we do it outside, because yeah. It's good. So now you're going to spray your air wick in. It should be almost swimming in the air wick. Now you're going to mix it. Guys, I'm back and my slime is pretty much forming. And so now I'm going to add some color. I'm going to add some purple. It already is kind of blue, I think from the face mask, but I'm going to add some color. So guys, I'm back and I colored my slime and all that stuff. So I did add a lot of air wick after I added that one spray that I showed you guys. So you do need more than what I showed you. And also, make sure you're doing this outside, because it's air wick. And yeah, so now you're gonna start to play with your slime if it's still kind of sticky. So that's what I'm doing here. It's still a little sticky, so I'm just gonna play with it, roll it between my fingers. It's pretty fine. So yeah, be back once I finish playing with it. So guys, here's the finished product. It's super stretchy. I really like it. It's really soft. It's not sticky at all. And yeah. So guys, I have a container to make my next slime in. And so for the next slime, it's shampoo. And you heat it up for 15 seconds. And then you put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. So the last time we tried heating something up, which was toothpaste to try to make slime, let's just say it kind of made smoke. So we're gonna stand there and watch it this time. So what you will need for the next recipe is something to make your slime in, your mixing tool, cornstarch. Cornstarch works best, but you can also use flour, and conditioner. I like conditioner best, but again, you can also use shampoo. And so guys, the first step is squirting some of your conditioner into your bowl. Guys, you should either do your food dye right while you only have conditioner, or once it's fully made, or once you put in the cornstarch, add chalk. Guys, this is more of a butter slime or a dough consistency. But so anyway, the next step is adding your cornstarch or flour. So you're gonna open up your cornstarch, and then you're going to start by adding a little bit. I don't know if you guys call that a little bit, but don't add a lot at a time. So guys, I'm just adding a little bit more because it needs more. And if you guys want it to be more like a dough and less like a slime, then you can add lots at a time. But I want it to be a little bit more like a butter slime than total Play-Doh, so that's why I'm adding little bits at a time. And if it's too hard, add more conditioner, and if it's too soft, add more cornstarch. So guys, now it's time to play with it. So I'm just gonna knead it between my hands, and you can always add a bit more cornstarch. So guys, I added a bit more cornstarch, and now I'm just going to keep kneading it until it is not sticking to my fingers and it is a doughy-like consistency. So guys, this kind of worked, kind of didn't. I mean, like, it's like basically like kind of like slime now. So let's try spreading it and see if it spreads like butter slime. Let me zoom in. It does spread. It would spread a lot better if I was using a knife. Let's see if it spreads with a spoon. Yes, I would say it spreads pretty well. So this one, I mean, it kind of worked. I don't know if I want to call it a fail or not. No, I think I'm gonna call it, I think it worked. I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. So guys, what you need for this slime is something to make your slime in, salt, dish soap, and shampoo. You will also need a mixing tool. I'm going to take it out of the freezer so we can do it. I do not think this works, but you never know. Oh wow! I am super surprised, guys. It like worked. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if I'll be able to hold it, but like it's like really turning into slime. This is so cool. So I'm just gonna mix it around a little and then I'll be back to see if I can hold it. So guys, it like, I can't pick it up, so I'm just going to try adding a teeny bit of salt and seeing if that helps me picking it up. I don't know if I'm ruining this or helping this, but you know, it was pretty close. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix it in. So guys, the time that this has been sitting out, it melted. So this was a fail. But I mean, I had slime for like 5 minutes less, but you know, so fail. But I had 2 slimes that worked and 2 that failed. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah.